Good morning. Thanks for your company. Well, Wall Street bounces back with investors seeing the market as a buying opportunity. And today, all eyes will be on the RBA's interest rate decision at 2:30, with rates expected to remain on hold following that trifecta of better than expected economic news. Starting with US stocks, well, they somewhat rebounded from Friday's sell down, with many investors taking the opportunity to snap up a bargain, which is why Nike's shares rose 3.7%, leading the blue chip Dow high, really after UBS and JP Morgan recommended buying Nike shares on the corona-related weakness. And JP Morgan did in fact say the recent pullback was a multi-year buying opportunity. Meantime, Tesla shares surged over 17% to another all-time high after Argus Research gave Tesla shares a price target of $808 a share. Meantime, better than expected US economic news broke, with the US manufacturing activity climbing out of contractionary phase for the first time in 6 months, breaking its technical recession, where it's been sitting for 5 months under the 50 level for 5 straight months. In fact, the ISM manufacturing index rose to 50.9 in January, up from 47.8 in December. And meantime, to oil, some analysts are saying it's now in a bear market as it's 20% off its recent highs and has fallen for the past 4 straight weeks. So plenty of attention will be on OPEC's upcoming meeting, with production cuts expected next week, which could support the oil price. And back home, the Aussie share market futures are flat. However, yesterday we did see the ASX 200 lose 1.3% or 94 points after we closed at 6,923 points. All of our sectors were in the red, but the safe haven utility bond proxy sector which pushed ahead. And today, as we mentioned, all eyes will be on the RBA's decision at 2:30, with rates expected to remain on hold following better than expected employment, inflation and trade numbers. But investors will be paying close attention to what is said in the announcements. And reporting season today, we've got a bevy of companies reporting, starting with BWP Trust half-year results, CIMC Group, Janus Henderson's full-year results, and Shopping Centre Australia's half-year results are out as well. What else to watch? Well, following yesterday's stronger than expected building permit data, new home sales will be out by HIA for December. And just quickly bring up to speed with the markets over in the US, we saw the S&P 500 gain 0.7%, the Dow up 0.5% or 144 points, while the Nasdaq was 1.3% higher. Across the Atlantic, European stocks also higher as well. The Stock 600 up 0.3%, tech shares up the most, while oil and gas shares lagged. UK's FTSE up 0.6%, and the French CAC and German DAX followed. Gold meantime has lost about 0.5%. It's now $1,580 an ounce as investors are going into riskier asset classes. And meantime, the oil price is now at $50.12 a barrel, getting as low as $50 a barrel earlier. And iron ore last traded at $92.90 a tonne, and the Australian dollar is unchanged, buying 66.86 US cents. Thanks so much for your company. Have a great day. Happy trading.